The world we live in is growing faster and changing in so many ways. Every day, there are approximately 200,000 more people on this planet. As a result, the world constantly faces food, nutrition, and resource challenges, which require action and greater collaborative long-term plans. Indofood strives to provide sustainable food solutions for Indonesia and the world. As a total food solutions company, Indofood capitalizes on 4 complementary strategic business groups. We do our best to provide a better future for the next generations.
Kami berkreasi
dan bekerja sama untuk sebuah solusi.
Our agribusiness group is one of the largest vertically integrated and diversified agribusinesses in Indonesia. We engage in oil palm plantations, sugarcane, rubber, cocoa, and tea. Our activities span from research and development,
kami terus berinovasi
untuk hasil yang lebih baik,
seed breeding, cultivation,
kami menuai biak
melalui kerja keras,
and milling. Throughout all of our operations, we nurture human capital.
kami membangun masa depan
dengan merawat hari ini
And preserve environmental resources. To enhance value, we process further our crude palm oil to become the leading brands of cooking oil, margarine, and shortening.
kami berintegrasi dengan satu tujuan.
Strengthened by our own vessels, where million tons of wheat are transported effectively and efficiently. Bogasari Group is the largest integrated flour miller in Indonesia, which has made us a major producer of flour and pasta products for over 4 decades. Bogasari Group contributes in strengthening Indonesia's economy by empowering small and medium enterprises. We also operate training centers to promote good business practices and commercial knowledge.
Kami berkomitmen
untuk menjadi yang terbaik.
As an established market-leading producer, our consumer-branded products group manufactures a diverse range of products that provide convenient solutions for consumers of all ages and segments. Our modern factories comply with national and international food safety management system to produce high-quality products that are safe, hygienic, and halal.
Kualitas
itu prioritas kami.
We also develop various programs for small vendors of instant noodles to help bolster their economic welfare. To deliver high-quality products, Indofood uses high-quality raw materials through partnerships with qualified suppliers, including smallholders. We foster good relationships with the smallholders to ensure availability and quality raw materials. With the passion of our employees and our partners, we deliver only the best quality products. Many of our brands enjoy top-of-mind status in Indonesia, having gained the trust and loyalty of millions of consumers for decades. Indofood is highly committed to improve the nutrition of the nation. We not only provide nutritionally enhanced products, but also serve the community by giving free health services for mothers and toddlers, as well as education on nutritional values.
Kami selalu dekat di hati.
Supported by our own packaging facilities, we produce high-quality packaging as the key to our product quality.
Kami melakukan diversifikasi.
Untuk kebutuhan konsumen.
Indofood's distribution group has the most extensive network in Indonesia, featuring more than 1,100 stock points that ensure our products' availability in every corner of the archipelago. Through our International Operations Unit, our products are present globally. Indofood's products are leaders in a wide range of market segments with strong brand equities and an established track record of continuous innovation. Through many generations, we have nourished people with our products and contributed to the welfare of the society. Every day is a different day as we are getting bigger and better.
Kami adalah keluarga.
Kami adalah teman.
Kami
Adalah profesional.
We are Indofood.